Ever tried to hold in a sneeze? It might seem harmless, but here's what really happens when you cancel a sneeze. A sneeze is your body's way of clearing irritants like dust or pollen. It's a high-pressure reflex. Air can shoot out at nearly 100 miles per hour. But when you block it, by pinching your nose or clamping your mouth, the pressure has nowhere to go. That force gets redirected, sometimes into your ears, sinuses, or even your throat. In rare cases, people have suffered ruptured eardrums, burst blood vessels, and even throat injuries. The fix? Just let it out, safely into your elbow or a tissue. Your body's protecting you. Don't cancel the sneeze. Respect the reflex. Subscribe for more quick health facts.